That's what's happening here today.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
There really is a lake right there. You just really can't see it. Huh. Yeah, that's right. Well, good morning, friends. I decided last night to come out to Lake Benbrook, mostly just because I was bored this weekend, didn't have anything else to do. Turns out I had this whole loop to myself, so it was quite lovely. But yeah, it's all socked in with fog this morning, so I don't think I'm going to go on a bike ride. Everything's just wet. It didn't really rain. How does that happen? Oh, my poor chair is soaked. Dang it. So just been hanging out in my van this morning watching YouTube. It's still lovely though. Like I said, I came for the view of the lake and you can't even see the lake through the fog. Anyway, it's very peaceful, very relaxing, so I'm glad I came out. So if you follow my channel, then you know I'm just a part-time camper, weekend warrior type of person. I do have a full-time day job, and recently I have taken a second job. So I think I'm going to be kind of booked on weekends and evenings for a little while. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to put very many videos out. So the second job that I took, I am working for the US Census. Now, most people think that that's a once every 10-year thing, and hey, didn't we just do that in 2020? Yes, they did. This is a completely different survey that is done by the US Census that I'm working on. So it's completely different. It has, it's a lot more in-depth than your regular decennial 7-question census. This one's way more in-depth. It's used to determine how much need there is and where the need is, and to make sure that the grant money goes to the right places. That's in a nutshell. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to take you along on any of that. Everything's really highly confidential, of course, as it should be. But maybe I can share some stories with you anyway if I leave out any pertinent information as far as privacy rules go. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Should be interesting how I'm going to get people to answer all these questions. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on my spiel. Anyway, I think it'll be an interesting little job. It only goes through April, but yeah, that is a lot of prime camping season I'm giving up. But that's okay. I need to put some money in the bank to keep the van running, so yeah, thus the second job. Anyway, I'm going to just kind of hang out here for a little while this morning. Maybe this fog will lift a little bit. Head back to the house. Just wanted to touch base with you though. Like I said, I enjoy the comments. I enjoy interacting with you guys. If I don't put a video out, I miss you, honestly. So anyway, this is just kind of a, hey guys, this is what's happening here. I hope whatever you're doing, you are having a fabulous weekend and it's not quite so foggy. But anyway, take care and y'all stay lost, my friends. See you on the flip side. My grill is completely undercover. The whole table is completely soaked. Just very, very wet air. Very wet. I had some deer frolicking over there this morning early, but yeah, they're hiding in the woods. So this is Lake Benbrook Holiday Park. It's quite lovely. We're right in the middle of town. I mean, we are literally like 10 miles, maybe less than that, from downtown Fort Worth. You can hear church bells in the distance. Yeah, it's lovely. Lovely indeed. Slept great last night. Alright, Paul Vanley. Looks like your back tire's a little low. We might want to get that checked out.